Well, hello beautiful people of the internet. Thank you for clicking first and foremost. Today, I have been challenged, and I will take on this challenge with everything that I have. It is the 5-minute makeup challenge in real time. Not gonna lie, your girl's a little scared. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, yes, today I'm going to be taking on the 5-minute makeup challenge in real time. I have been challenged, I have been tagged by none other Miss Karen from the channel Kerrosy G. Y'all should go check her out. She does really good makeup tutorials and just like, her makeup is just really good, much better than mine. But anyways, I'm gonna really try. I'm really gonna try to do this, okay, to the best of my abilities, and to give myself the best shot possible. I set out all the products that I'm gonna use. I don't know, man. There are times when I feel like I can do my makeup in 5 seconds, no problem. Because like, there's been those times when I've been really rushed in the morning, but somehow I'm able to do a full face. But I feel like I've just, you know, exaggerated my abilities, because it probably wasn't 5 minutes. We gonna do this. Also, yes, I do have a pimple right on the tip of my nose, which is great when filming. I gotta like psych myself up, but also like calm myself down at the same time. Trying to think if I want to do my face or my eyes first for this. We're gonna put the hair up because it's actually really hot in here right now. Don't need it getting in my way. I'm gonna put my timer on for 5 minutes and 0 seconds. You got this. You got this. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my hand so I can get started. Okay, and the timer is going on. Okay, hold on. Okay. The timer is going on now. Alright, so I'm gonna go with foundation. I really hope I do a good job. Okay. I'm probably not gonna be interacting with the camera much because I really want to do this successfully. Also, I've been wanting to say this in my videos, but I keep forgetting. Don't buy this brand of mirror off of Amazon. It broke within like 2 days of me getting it, and I just didn't care enough to return it. Whatever the brand is right here, I don't feel like reading it. I don't want to cost myself time. I never put on my foundation like this, but I'm still stressed. Looks decent, right? Yeah. Oh, I didn't put it down to my neck. Let's blend some down to the neck just a little bit. Oh my god. I never just swipe it on, but I'm so worried. Let's do concealer. Oh, I should have done my brows. I'm not thinking straight. I put on way too much concealer, but it's okay. You know what? Why I let it sit there and get tacky? Let me do my brows real quick. We're not gonna do anything too crazy. Oh my god, come on. There we go. Okay, let me like chill out and slow down so I can take this seriously. I want to get this done, but I want it to look decent, you know what I mean? That is the worst tail I've ever done. Okay. Alright, we're at 3 minutes. Oh god, okay. It's just gonna look the way it looks. 3 minutes and 20 something seconds. It is what it is. This is just how it's gonna look. Okay, we're gonna do this action right here. Okay, reality is starting to set in. I thought I would be much better at this than I am. Okay, setting powder. You know what? We're gonna setting powder. I never do it with my sponge, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. We're at 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Okay, contour. Wrong brush. I'm so glad I didn't do my eyes first, or else it'll look like I didn't do anything. This is probably the worst contour I've ever done. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Oh god, what am I doing? Oh no. Okay, oh my goodness, I'm gonna look raggedy as heck. Do my neck. What's next? Blush? Let's do blush real quick. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Oh god. Blush. Na. This is so bad. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's brush off the powder. 1 minute and 56 seconds. Let's do the eyes. I'm not gonna get everything done with my eyes. Oh, that's the wrong brush. Oh, gosh. Okay. Y'all better not be judging me too hard on the screen. Oh, I didn't even prime. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. 1 minute and 30 seconds. My brows look a mess. Okay. Let's just use one brush for today's look, you know. This is what I used to do when I first started makeup. So let's, you know, just do that. Make it a little deep in that inner corner. I mean, that outer corner. 1 minute and 10 seconds. We're gonna make this look like something. Let me fix that real quick. Oh, it doesn't matter. Let's put a shimmer on there to make it look like I did something. Yes. Okay, we got 50 seconds. We got 50 seconds. Oh gosh, why didn't I put out the liner? Oh jeez, oh jeez. Okay, let's do the quickest liner I've ever done. 37 seconds. I still have to do the lips. Oh no. 29 seconds. Let me do the lips real quick. What's this chocolate here? 16 seconds. Do some mascara. I didn't even put on my primer, I just noticed that. 5 seconds. We get that. I'm gonna get the bottom lashes too. 1 0. I have been humbled. I don't know why I thought I would be able to do all these things in 5 minutes. My eyeliner is a mess. My base doesn't look too bad, but it is definitely not blended. I missed chunks of my face with my foundation. You can't really tell, can you? You can kind of tell. As soon as that clock started going, I started panicking and freaking out and realizing that I was not going to be able to do half of what I thought I was going to be able to do. But like, I think it turned out decent. I mean, besides the liner, I mean, most people probably wouldn't even be able to tell the difference, you know? Most people probably think, you know what, she gave it the good old college try. I don't think I even did I even put my foundation up here? I missed this whole spot with my foundation. My eyebrows look a mess. What is this? I got bronzer all over my nose. I was trying to make sure I did my lips and wanted to go with a, you know, really dark or bright color because, you know, a lot of the times a bright or dark lip can take away from the horribleness of the rest of the face. I didn't even get to curl my lashes. Should I even bother? No, I'm not even gonna take the hair down. That's not gonna help. That's not gonna help with the look. Let's try it. It doesn't look too bad. Like, let me bring my face closer. Like, it doesn't look like horrible, but you can definitely, like, it barely looks like I put bronzer on. You can still see my, you know, dark acne scars. But you know what? Looking on the bright side, I think I was able to get a lot done in that 5 minutes. I got, you know, my mascara on, I got the foundation, I got the contour on, I got the blush on, I got the lip color on. I did stuff to my brows. If this was a challenge to see how many products you can get on your face in 5 minutes, I think I'd be pretty good. Alright, that's enough of me making excuses for myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try valiantly and fail. Thank you, Karen, for challenging me. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank everybody who came and watched and made it to the end. I appreciate y'all. And until next time, bye!